As the year of the Wood Dragon dawns on February 10, 2024, an aura of opportunity and growth envelops us all. This Chinese zodiac year promises to be a transformative period, one ripe for advancing careers, improving financial prospects, and initiating new ventures. From a Chinese astrology perspective, the Year of the Dragon is intricately linked to the element of wood, a symbol of growth, expansion, and financial abundance. In the Year of the Dragon 2024, 4 zodiac signs are most likely to get rich and attract wealth, namely, the rabbit, monkey, dragon, and dog. Before we get into the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Now let's begin. Rabbit, the gentle, yet astute money magnet. Rabbits, known for their gentleness and sensitivity, possess a keen intellect and adaptability. In the Year of the Dragon, these qualities become assets in their pursuit of success. Career-wise, rabbits will find their skills and talents in high demand, leading to significant advancements. Luck shines brightly in investment and business endeavors for those born under this sign. Monkey, the creative genius embracing opportunity. Monkeys, with their intelligence and creativity, boast a charming personality that draws attention in the Year of the Dragon. The spotlight beckons, offering them a stage to showcase their skills and achieve their loftiest ambitions. Furthermore, monkeys find luck on their side in games of chance and even the fickle hands of fate in lotteries. Dragon, the ambitious trailblazer reaching new heights. Dragons, known for their strength and charisma, embody ambition and charisma. In the Year of the Dragon, their dreams are within reach, and their goals are attainable. Business ventures and investments become prosperous avenues, paving the way for financial growth and stability. Dog, the loyal protector reaping rewards. Dogs, characterized by loyalty and a strong sense of justice, will reap the rewards of their unwavering dedication in the Year of the Dragon. Hard work and relentless efforts will yield positive results in their careers and personal relationships. Financially, they will find themselves on an upward trajectory. Tips for cultivating financial luck in 2024. While astrological influences offer a promising backdrop, there are practical steps anyone can take to invite financial luck. Maintain a positive and optimistic mindset. A positive outlook attracts luck and opens doors to opportunities. Acts of kindness. Generosity towards others not only benefits those you help but also creates positive energy that can attract financial prosperity. Practice gratitude. Acknowledging and appreciating what you already have can enhance your sense of contentment and attract further blessings. Feng Shui for attracting wealth in the Year of the Wooden Dragon 2024. By incorporating Feng Shui into your life in 2024, you can create an environment that resonates with the energies of growth, prosperity, and financial well-being. Here are some specific Feng Shui tips for the Year of the Wooden Dragon 2024 to attract wealth and financial luck. Lucky colors and decor. Use lucky colors that align with the energy of the Year of the Wooden Dragon. Browns and wooden tones are also favored. You can add accents of gold or orange to amplify the energy of prosperity. Incorporate wooden elements into your decor, such as wooden furniture, paintings featuring trees, or indoor plants to support the wood element of this year. Activating the Southeast Sector. The Southeast Sector is the wealth sector in Feng Shui. Ensure this area is well lit and well maintained. Place specific Feng Shui objects here, such as a money frog or a dragon statue, to attract wealth. Plant trees around your home. planting trees or plants with large leaves around your home can bring prosperity and protection. Bushes with round or oval-shaped leaves are suitable for creating a protective green barrier. Thorough spring cleaning. Start the Chinese New Year 2024 with a thorough spring cleaning. Remove anything unnecessary that accumulates stagnant energy. Career sector activation. To support your career and financial potential, activate the northwest sector of your home. You can use mirrors, metal elements, and career-related objects to stimulate this area. Keep the energy fresh. During the year of the wooden dragon, it's essential to keep the energy fresh and not let things become too static. Rearrange furniture or change decorations periodically to introduce fresh energies. Financial goals that align with innate strengths. When setting financial goals, they can leverage these qualities to their advantage. Clear and achievable financial goals for all zodiac signs may include: Number 1. Investment mastery. They can set a goal to become well-versed in the stock market, real estate, or other investment avenues to build wealth. Number 2. Diversified income streams. Their adaptability allows them to explore multiple income sources. Rabbits can aim to establish diversified income streams, such as side businesses, freelancing, or investments, to secure their financial future. Number 3. Negotiation skills. With their diplomatic skills, rabbits can strive to negotiate better terms in financial transactions, such as loan agreements or salary negotiations, ensuring they receive favorable terms. Number 4. Financial education. Setting a goal to improve their financial knowledge continuously can be advantageous. Rabbits can aim to attend financial seminars, courses, or workshops to make informed decisions.